Hi, I'm Kyle Schmidt with Tennant, and on behalf of Dalco and VHA, I am excited to give you an overview of what a powerful machine the Tennant CS5 walk-behind micro scrubber is, and the amazing results you can expect when adding it to your cleaning program. I know many of you are still cleaning your floors with a traditional mop and bucket. I get it. Change is hard. Let's take a look at some of those reasons why. 1. Storage. 2. It's quiet. 3. It's easy. And 4. It's affordable. Does that pretty much sum it up? Oh yeah, one more. That's the way we've always done it. Let's start with number 1, storage. While it may seem like an auto scrubber would take up a lot more room than a mop and bucket, let's look at them side by side. As you can see, the compact construct makes it easier to use and easy to store. The handle conveniently folds down so storage size is just 30 by 16 by 15 inches, which is about the same size as a mop and bucket. Number 2, noise. While even I will admit a mop and bucket is pretty quiet, this scrubber operates at only 63 decibels. Quiet affords you the opportunity to easily use for day cleaning. This in turn cuts down on those expensive energy bills because you are not wasting lighting at night when you wouldn't otherwise need it. Number 3, mops are easy to use. Correction, a mop is simple to use, it isn't necessarily easy to use. How is this for easy? Never change out a filthy, disgusting mop head again. Let's switch back to the CS5. The digital panel and intuitive user interface make operating this a snap. Plus, this machine will arrive at your facility fully ready to be placed into operation, and you will be able to schedule a virtual training session with me. You'll be an expert in no time. Finally, we get to number 4. A mop and bucket is affordable. However, at close to 50% less than its peers, the CS5 is the best value on the market, made by a brand you've come to trust. Actually, when considering all factors, this machine will reduce your cost to clean. Additional benefits. The CS5 will help reduce work injury opportunities. It is right sized to get around and under tight spaces, is much safer as it leaves no water behind on the floor, and with regular use, it will improve your facility image. Wait, there's more. It actually cleans the floor rather than a mop redistributing the dirt everywhere. Oh, lastly, mop and bucket is how we've always cleaned the floor. If the pandemic has taught us anything, hasn't it taught us that it's time that we look at things differently?